Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna talk about the famous interview question, copy linked list with random pointer. So let's deep dive into the question, and here we are given a linked list which consists of a node, and each node consists of three types of data, and the first one is the original data, and second one is the random pointer, and third one is the next pointer. And the next pointer is the pointer that points to the next node of the list, and the random pointer is the pointer that may points to any of the other node in the list, or it may even point to the null. So here is the structure of the linked list, and question demands that we need to create the clone of this linked list, which should look similar to that. And so here the question ends, and I will highly recommend you should try the question before diving to the solution. Actually, this question is my personally favorite. That's why I'm making video on it. So coming to the solution of the question, we can see that basic problem is assigning a random pointer. The next pointer doesn't create that much trouble, but the random pointer is. So we can use a trick to assign the random pointer. We will be assigning a copy node of this phi node just after the phi node. That means the next pointer will point to the copy of that fifth node, and this copy pointer will point to the second pointer. After creating the copy node, we'll be doing like the original node will the next pointer of the original node will point to the copy node, and the next pointer of the copy node will point to the next node. So it will be like the straight connection, and the connection will look like the new copy node is inserted in between the two original nodes. So let me show you the connections. The connection will like the original pointer is pointing to the copy node, and this next pointer of the copy node will point to the next node. So once making the full connection, it will look like something like this. And also the original random pointer is always be pointing. Once done till here, what we can do is we can go to the next pointer or the copy pointer here, and we will assign the random pointer of this with where the random pointer of original is pointing. So the random pointer of original is pointing to the third node, and we will go to the next node, like next node of the third node. So we will be coming here, and now we'll be assigning the random pointer of this to the this one. Okay, similarly for the copy node of the second node, will be coming here, and we will be assigning the random pointer of this with the where the random pointer of second is pointing. Second random pointer is pointing to the fourth, so we'll be going to the next of the fourth. So next of the fourth is this one, so we'll be pointing this with the this four. So here is the connections. So now we'll be moving to the fourth one. So now where is the random pointer of this fourth is pointing? So this fourth is pointing to the first one node. So we'll be going to the next of the first one. So next of the first one is this node. So we'll be connecting this node with the last node. Okay, so here it goes like this, and so similarly we'll be going to the copy of the third node, and we'll be seeing that where is the third pointer is looking. So the random pointer of the third node is looking for the second node, so we'll be going to the next of the second node. So here the random pointer of this will be connection connected to this. So so the basic connections look like this. So after making the full connection, the whole linked list will look like this. So now we can do is like we will make this as an head pointer, and we will delete the original pointer. Like we will delete the next, like the next is pointing to this, and we will make it point to directly this one. So this is how we will be deleting the original node. And after deletion of original node, the node that will be getting is look similar to this, and this that is our the copy of the node or the copy of the linked list. So let's deep dive into the code. So here in the code, what we can do is we are given with the head which is pointing directly null. So we will return the none, and then we will be adding a new node after every original node. So let's see how we'll doing that. So we'll be taking the temp variable and assigning the head in it. So while temp is not empty, we'll be doing few stuffs. And this is the thing that what we will do is we will create a new node, and we'll be assigning the temp value or and temp next value. And then we'll be doing the temp next will be assigning a new node, So if the temp next exists, so we have to go twice, we have to take a twice steps, else that means temp dot next is equal to none. So after doing that, we'll be assigning a random pointer. We will take a temp variable and we will be taking a flip variable. This flip variable is just for the track that every alternate time we have to do the stuffs. So this is only for the alternate, and while temp is not empty, if flip is equals to 0 and temp dot next exists, we will be taking the this copy node, and this copy node will be assigning a random pointer of the copy node with the temp dot random dot next, what we have done earlier. And if it does not exist, then we will be assigning a none. Okay, so once we have done the flipping, we'll be changing the flip value. If it is 0, then we'll be assigning 1, and if it is 1, so we'll be assigning 0. So after that, we'll be checking that if temp dot next exists, we'll be taking twice the steps, and if doesn't exist, temp dot next will be assigning to temp. So after that, we'll be taking only the copy one and we'll be removing the original one. So how I'll be doing that, we'll be taking head one is equal to head dot next, and now we'll be taking temp is equal to head one. While temp exist, we'll be checking temp dot next. Yes, if temp dot next exists, we'll be simply deleting the original one, and if doesn't exist, then simply set the none, and temp is equal to temp dot next. We have to go every time next. So that's it, we will return the head pointer. So the code is very simple. So like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos.
Don't stop chasing your dreams.